Each year, Tahirih staff across the country work with thousands of volunteers and partners to help make our work possible. Whether in Atlanta or the Bay Area, Greater DC, Baltimore, or Houston, we are all one in our mission to create safe communities and challenge the systems that leave people vulnerable to exploitation and violence.
We are so proud to be a part of the very first Tahirih Justice Center location. With 2 offices, one in the Greater DC area and one in Baltimore, we have expanded our service area and our services a lot. The ongoing pandemic put many of our clients in a financial bind in 2021. Through our partners and generous supporters, we were able to help them pay for necessities and meet their basic needs. Of course, free legal services are vital, but so are social services to people who are seeking to build a better life. We hosted our first coffee hour with our pro bonos. It's a great way to share ideas about working smarter together. We also trained hundreds of advocates, attorneys, judges, doctors, and community members to improve access to culturally specific, trauma-informed care for survivors in our area.
2021 was an exciting year here for Tahirih in Houston. We started our first set of kitchen table conversations to help survivors become change agents in a powerful community. Julia Bevan, our YL legal innovator, helped us publish 2 reports on how the pandemic has affected immigrants. Working with Harris County, we developed a model U-Visa certification policy to give survivors in our region greater access to immigration protection. Winter Storm Uri and the pandemic hit our area hard. We secured over $80,000 in relief funding for immigrant survivors here. As Houston grows, so do we. We've expanded our service area to include 2 more counties.
Here in the Bay Area, we expanded our impact in 2021 by joining a group of community-based organizations that offer legal and social services. We held outreach events and legal clinics for more than 1,200 community members, pro bono attorneys, social services and mental health professionals, and medical students. To help clients still being impacted by COVID-19, we shared more than $35,000 to cover basic needs. One of the most interesting things we did this past year was to find creative ways to make access to useful technology easier for clients, attorneys, and service providers across the country. That was another collaborative effort led by our YL legal innovator, Zoe Verney.
Here in Atlanta, we've grown our team and our capabilities over the last year. We held local training sessions for hundreds of people in our community. By expanding our partnership with the U.S. Committee for Refugees and Immigrants, we were able to provide financial support for trafficking survivors in our area. Students working on their Masters in Social Work at the Georgia State University can now join our team as interns. It's an incredible opportunity for us and for students passionate about this work.
Together with scores of people and partners who share our work, Tahirih Justice Center is building vibrant communities across the U.S. and building a better world for everyone.